folks, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a paper bat Halloween wreath. So let's get started. Our first step is to make bats out of black chart paper. Start by folding it into half. Create another fold. You can use a template. I'm going freehand. Then draw a bat. Like this. Then cut it with a pair of scissors. So here are your bats. You can create them in several different sizes by repeating the same process. Now we are going to create a wreath base from cardboard cuttings and some wires. These are construction grade wires. You can use wood if you like. Coil the wires into a circle. Make sure the ends are going in every direction and secure it with a wire. Repeat the process and make another circle. Now take your cardboard pieces and place the wire between them. If you feel the edges of your wires are not good enough, you can use some more wire to make it look wholesome. Now you don't need a perfect circle or perfect spikes. It just has to look smooth. When this frame of twigs or wires is ready, it's time to glue our cardboard on top and bottom of it.